Hey, everybody, time to change your trading for the better. Right now I'm going to show you a turbo boost of my deposit from $1 to a large sum with the help of my reliable assistant, an innovative AI bot. This is an advisor that collects real-time indicator data and feeds it in a convenient format, immediately providing a signal. The bot is free, pick it up at the link in the description. In a month it will be available only for a fee, so hurry up. To not miss new informative videos, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. I will be pleased if you put a like and write comments. I will enter each trade for the full deposit amount to achieve acceptable results as quickly as possible, and I will summarize the totals at the end of the trade. I entered the trade in clear accordance with the signal from FixProfit, active buy. Time frame 1 minute. I accelerated the price movement for ease of viewing and saving your time. Friends, together with the free bot at the link in the description, you will get access to the VIP chat with my forecasts, as well as a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. So, for example, if you deposit $50, you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $100, you will have $200 on your deposit. Promo code works on the first deposit. Let's talk about machine learning and market volatility, the future of volatility prediction in currency trading. Before we dive into the power of machine learning in predicting financial instability, let's talk about something even more important: money management. You can have the smartest AI-driven strategy, the best market insights, and even real-time data predictions, but if you don't manage your capital correctly, none of it will matter. The golden rule of trading? Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Why? Because trading isn't about winning one big trade and retiring rich. It's about staying in the game long enough for your edge to play out over hundreds of trades. Think about Doctor Strange in Avengers: Infinity War. He looked into 14 million different futures and found only one where they won. Trading is the same. You don't need to win every trade. You just need to stay in the game long enough for probability to work in your favor. Now, let's talk about scaling your trading. If your deposit is $100, you'll trade $1 per transaction, and your average profit will be 80 cents per trade. If your deposit is $1,000, you'll trade $10 per transaction, making $8 per trade. If your deposit is $10,000, you'll trade $100 per transaction, making $80 per trade. The bigger your deposit, the faster your profit scale. This is how successful traders accelerate their growth. The more you put in, the more you make, as long as you follow proper money management. Now, let's talk about how machine learning is changing the game in predicting financial market volatility. Imagine if you had an AI system that could scan millions of data points in seconds, analyze global market conditions, and tell you exactly when market instability is about to hit. That's what machine learning is doing for traders right now. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical price data to identify patterns of volatility, news sentiment analysis to predict sudden market reactions, macroeconomic indicators like inflation, interest rates, and employment data, social media trends to track public sentiment on major currencies. In other words, machine learning is like having Tony Stark's Jarvis, except it's analyzing markets instead of fighting off supervillains. Traditional traders look at technical indicators, moving averages, and trend lines, but machine learning? It looks at everything. Example: a machine learning model might detect that every time the U.S. Federal Reserve hints at a rate hike, the USD-JPY pair spikes within 48 hours. A human trader might miss this pattern, but AI never sleeps, never hesitates, and never forgets. With enough data, machine learning can recognize early warning signs of market instability before they happen. The result? Traders can position themselves ahead of the curve instead of reacting after the move has already begun. In 2021, Elon Musk tweeted about Bitcoin, and within minutes, the entire crypto market exploded. If traders had real-time AI sentiment analysis, they could have predicted the move before it happened. Machine learning now scans Twitter, Reddit, and financial forums for trending market discussions, news headlines and financial reports for early signals of volatility, central bank statements and political speeches for potential market impact. Example: AI detects that a major hedge fund is shorting the Japanese yen, and suddenly, financial Twitter starts buzzing. The market hasn't reacted yet, but you already know what's coming. This is trading in the age of machine learning. You ever see Quicksilver in X-Men? He moves so fast that by the time everyone realizes what's happening, he's already finished the job. That's what high-frequency trading HFT powered by AI does. With machine learning algorithms processing millions of trades per second, HFT firms can detect market inefficiencies faster than any human, execute trades before retail traders even see price changes, exploit short-term opportunities in high volatility conditions. Example: machine learning detects that an economic report just released will cause a short-term spike in EUR/USD. Before human traders even read the news, AI algorithms have already executed trades. That's the power of speed in trading. In the meantime, I keep profiting. A bot is a tool with which you will really start earning. Passability of its signals on average 80%. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. Frequency of data updates in the robot 1 minute. Friends, our channel has a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. What if machine learning could have predicted the 2008 financial crisis or the COVID-19 market crash weeks before they happened? AI models are now being trained to analyze global economic indicators in real time, detect early warning signs of recessions and crashes, simulate millions of possible futures like Doctor Strange to identify high-risk scenarios. Example: an AI model detects that global debt levels, bond yields, and stock market valuations are mimicking 2007 conditions, predicting a potential crash before it happens. For traders, this means being prepared before the storm hits, not after. The best traders adapt, and now, AI can do the same. Unlike traditional trading strategies that are static, machine learning algorithms evolve based on new data. They self-correct when market conditions change. They adjust their risk models based on new volatility patterns. They continuously improve without human intervention. The result? A trading system that gets smarter every single day. The future of machine learning in trading. Are you ready? AI-driven predictive models will dominate the markets. Sentiment analysis will track every tweet, speech, and financial report in real time. High-frequency AI trading will execute in milliseconds, leaving slow traders behind. Adaptive machine learning systems will constantly evolve to stay ahead. The question isn't if machine learning will change trading, it already has. The real question is, are you ready to evolve with it? Think about the traders who ignored the internet in the 1990s. Think about the ones who laughed at algorithmic trading in the 2000s. They missed out on a revolution. Don't be that trader. Machine learning is changing the game, and the traders who embrace it, learn it, and leverage it will be the ones who dominate. Trade smart, trade with technology, stay ahead of the curve. And right now, I'm nearing the finish line of our trade today, folks. This is the 12th signal from the bot, and I'm sure it will be accurate again. Pick up FixProfit for free at the link in the description, if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell to get even more valuable information and ideas, and subscribe to our Telegram channel at the link in the description. So, I reached my goal, thanks to an innovative bot. From $1 I was able to accelerate to $1,450. That's the power of FixProfit. See you soon here.